Grandpa, you think a fly could ever go to the moon?
The moon? Sure. Anything's possible. Remember the motto. If it ain't an adventure, it ain't worth doing. I ever tell you I once flew across the Atlantic Ocean with Amelia Earhart?
Oh, about 100 times.
You want to hear it 101 times?
Sure. I love that story, Grandpa.
Well, if you insist. We were about 10 hours into it, out over the Atlantic Ocean. Everything was going A-OK, so I thought I'd take myself a little snooze. Catch 40 winks, you know. Well, no sooner had I dozed off, I woke up to find the plane in one serious nosedive.
What was wrong, Grandpa?
I'll tell you what was wrong. She gosh darn fell asleep. That ocean was like black pavement, and it was coming up real fast. We were gonna die.
What did you do, Grandpa?
What any brave fly would do. I flew straight up her nose. She blew out one serious booger. I was almost a goner.
You saved the day, Grandpa.
Darn right I did. After that, it was smooth flying. A couple hours later, we landed in France. The rest is history. That's when I met Nadia.
Who's Nadia? You never told me about her.
Oh, I guess I haven't. Well, she was just about the prettiest thing with wings I'd ever seen. Russian, from Minsk.
Wow! You knew a Russian?
Sure did.
How come you didn't marry her?
Well, that's kind of hard to explain. Wasn't meant to be, I guess. But she could put away the vodka. We once drank so much.